Hello together, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. As I mentioned in my previous video, the burgers, the 250-gram patties I prepared. I used a mayonnaise which I prepared. Burgers mayonnaise was very nice, it worked perfectly for the burgers and it's very easy to prepare. Here we go. We got mayonnaise from the store, I got some Brunoise from pickles, Brunoise from red onion, bacon. The bacon I choose didn't have any fat, so that's why I'm add a little bit of olive oil, some ground pepper. I chop this very small, and the roasted got the bacon got roasted crunchy, very nice. And now it's time to mix it. Just like you see, you mixed it all together, and let's see how it turns out. The pickles were very juicy, that's why I am not adding so far any extra sourness to our sauce. Now once it is, then you can taste it. I am adding a little bit of garlic powder and also a little bit of sweet paprika, not spicy because the ladies at home doesn't need any spicy, so that's why I'm using non-spicy paprika, otherwise spicy will work perfectly here. Now you got to taste it and try if the salt is okay, pepper is okay, the consistency if it's okay. If it's sourness, if it's not okay, you can add a little bit of pickle juice. I'm adding this time apple vinegar. The apple vinegar will give you sourness and a little bit to help you with the consistency, of course, make it more liquidly. That's it. That's all we need. That's just very easy. And from here you can start trying another ingredients you may like. It's very simple to prepare. And now I'm just clean my borders. I'm gonna make a small decoration here with some paprika. You can use chili flakes. You can use basically anything to present your sauce. And I just leave you the recipe from the burgers at the end of this video. I hope you like it. This patty burger, 250 grams, will just amazing, just massive piece of meat in a burger, just sensational. Thank you very much. Subscribe to the channel, hit that thumb up button, and see you in the next video. Take care.